Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you an overview of the ERA management screen. Electronic remittance advice is a way of importing receipts captured by the medical aids against debtors or cases. Please note that in order to use the ERA feature, a practice must first register with GoodX to gain access. First, let us go over how to access the ERA management screen. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the Debtors segment to open the Debtors screen. Click on the ERA Management tab. The ERA Management screen will open. An overview of the fields found on the ERA Management screen will be given. The user is able to search for the ERAs by using the search filters. A search can be done by using either the desired medical aid number or medical aid scheme. Set the date from when the user would like to have the ERAs filtered from. A date picker will open once the From field is clicked on, where the user is able to select the desired date. The user is able to set the date to which the results will be filtered. A date picker will open once the To field has been clicked on, where the user is able to select the desired date. New remittances that are available for importing will display when the new checkbox has been ticked. Remittances that were imported as duplicates will be displayed when the duplicate checkbox has been ticked. All remittances that have been processed will be displayed once the posted checkbox has been ticked. Any deleted ERAs will be displayed once the deleted checkbox has been ticked. All remittances that have been imported and are ready to be posted will display once the imported checkbox has been ticked. Once the user has set all of the desired filters, click on the search button to filter the results. Now we'll go over the various columns displayed. The ID column will show the uniquely generated number assigned to the ERA. The name of the medical aid will be displayed under the funder name column. The medical aid batch numbers column will display an ID number generated by the medical aid when sending the ERA. The date on which the payment was made will be displayed under the payment date column. The import creation date column will display the date on which the ERA was imported from the medical aid. Whether the ERA is new, imported, or a duplicate will display under the status column. The type of remittances that were imported or posted will be shown under the type column. The total number of payments column will display the number of transactions that were made from a specific medical aid for the practice. The number of lines that were matched from the payment will display under the total number of matched items column. The total number of unresolved payments column will display the payments that were not matched correctly to the invoice lines and require manual intervention. How far the ERA has been imported in percentage format will be displayed under the progress column. The amount that was paid from the medical aid will be shown under the amount paid column. Click on the Delete Selected ERA button if the user does not wish to import the selected batch. The user is able to check for new remittances by clicking on the New ERA button. Only the selected batch will import when the Import All New ERA button is clicked. The user is able to make changes to the selected ERA by clicking on the Edit Selected ERA button. If the ERA has incorrect information, the ERA can be re-imported by clicking on the Re-import Selected ERA button.